So here's my Android setup which I have been currently rocking from past few weeks, and I have tried to keep the things as minimal as possible, and I love the clean look. And so before we start with the whole setup process, here are the apps which you will be needing, and all these apps are like very light apps, and um, don't really need to download all those heavy apps for the nice setup. So I will mention all the apps which you will be needing to download, and the first thing you will be needing is the Nova Launcher, Nova Google Companion, Digital Clock Widget, Month Calendar Widget, and the Aura Icon Pack. So you have to download all these apps, and I'll be showing you how to set up using all these apps. So the first thing which you have gonna to do is to download all the apps, and the first thing will start with the Nova Launcher. So this is how the Nova Launcher screen will look. So we'll go with the dark. We'll keep the icon size to 95 and select the round. For search engine, we will use Google and Play Store. And for the desktop search bar, we'll keep the weather and the date. That's it. And we'll select this dog below icons. And we'll click the tick button. Also, we'll select the Nova Launcher as the default launcher. So this is how it will look like. So before proceeding, we'll directly head into the settings. We'll go to home screen, set the desktop grid as 10:9. We'll select done. Then we'll keep the padding none. We'll turn off the dock. We'll keep the search bar placement as dock below icons. We'll customize the search bar. Okay, so we need, if you need to make it transparent, just select this one. We will keep the weather and the date, that's it. Or maybe we will just keep a assistant. Okay, we'll turn off the infinite scroll, and we'll also turn off the page indicator. Then we'll go to the app drawer. We'll select the grid size as 7:5. We'll keep the background color as black. We'll keep the search bar at the bottom. You can choose the accent screen as per your need. Then we will go to the look and feel, select the icon theme, and we'll select it as Aura. Then we will go to the gesture. We'll select double tap as screen lock here. So as we double tap on the home screen, the screen will be locked. We'll select the notification badge. We have to give permission to the notification. And we are done. So what we're gonna do after doing all these, we have to place all the important icons at the home screen. So it can be whatever according to need. So the first thing I do is to make a Google home screen where I keep all the Google apps. One thing I also forgot to mention, that whenever you are setting the home screen, go to icons and turn off the label. So after placing all the icons, this is how our home screen will look like after placing all the icons. So this is all the most frequent apps which I use, so I have placed according to that. You can arrange these icons according to your need. So after placing all the icons, there's also slight change in the grid size. I have set the grid size from 11 to 7, so you can change the grid size according to your display size. So yeah, after that we will place the search bar. So we will take the widget and we'll go into configure. We will go to resize and we'll keep the transparency to 0 in the search bar, and this is how it will look like. After that we have to place a widget with weather widget. So for that we'll again go into widgets, and here you will see the digital clock widgets. You can choose anyone from all these. I prefer this HTC style clock widget, so we'll place it here, and we will also resize it. Okay, so I think this looks okay. After configuring this, you have to go to the second home page, and then again you have to add a widget. Here we'll add the month widget. Actually here it's a calendar widget, so keep the transparent background and select the first day of week, Monday. For me it's Mondays. You can change it according to your need, and I will go with this one, material dark, and we'll hit OK. Again we need to resize it, and this is how it will look. Second thing which we'll need to do is to add a Spotify player widget. So yeah, here it is. So this is how our final home screen will look like, but the wallpaper is missing. So the wallpaper, we have to set the wallpaper, and now we are done. So this is how our home screen will look like with all the customizations. And here's our clock widget, here's our home screen, like all the icons which we need. Here's a Google widget, it will show the weather, and this is our calendar widget, this is our Spotify, and we have only 2 home screen. So we are using only 2 home screen because we have to stay as minimal as possible. And this is the main home screen, this is the second home screen, and this is how our app drawer will look like. The search bar is at the bottom for easy reachability, and on the very left we have got our Google feed. So yeah, that's pretty much about the minimal setup look on my Android phone.